After recent events, we're all ready to hop aboard the next flight to Mars. But before us Earthlings embark on a 7-month journey to the Red Planet, we need to understand how the harsh conditions of space can affect our bodies. Thankfully, astronauts Scott and Mark Kelly have willingly volunteered themselves as test subjects for NASA, which has been studying the pair since they've returned from their respective voyages in space. The identical twin brothers are the subject of a 10-part investigation to understand the impact of space travel on the body. Researchers collected blood samples and other biological materials while the twins were both on Earth and in orbit, and are now comparing them for the aptly named Twins study. While the full results of the Twins study probably won't be released for another year or two, the first findings are now in. Samples taken before, during and after Scott Kelly's most recent mission, in which he spent 340 days in space, revealed changes in gene expression, DNA methylation and other biological markers, Nature reports. According to the team of scientists leading the study, these changes are likely to be attributable to Scott's lengthy stay in space. The team presented their preliminary findings on January 26 at a meeting of scientists working in NASA's Human Research Program in Galveston, Texas. The greatest importance of the study is to show that we can do it, team member Andrew Feinberg, a geneticist at Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine in Baltimore, said. I don't think people realized it would be so easy to do genomics on astronauts in space. While easy is a debatable way of describing these tests, they're definitely thorough and revealing. As identical twins, the brothers are genetically very similar. However, researchers found that while he was in orbit, Scott's telomeres, the caps on the ends of chromosomes, grew longer than his twin brothers. Though Scott's telomeres returned to their pre-flight lengths shortly after he returned to Earth, these results were totally unexpected, since telomeres naturally shrink over the course of one's life, and the stresses of spaceflight are supposed to accelerate this. At least that was the idea.